How to create a Fiverr account on iPhone and Android. If any day you would like to use Fiverr on your iPhone or your Android device but do not know how to create an account on Fiverr, then do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. And in this video, we will be using our Android device to show this. First of all, you have to tap on the Fiverr application on your mobile device. For that, you need to search the Fiverr application on your mobile device, and after that, you have to tap on the Fiverr application on your mobile device. After you tap on Fiverr application on your mobile device, your very Fiverr application will be launched on your mobile device. And you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the sign in, and when you tap on the option of the sign in, there are two options. If you already have an account, then you can directly tap on your very email or username there and your passport. But if you do not have, then you can either sign it from the Facebook or either sign it from the Google as well. For me, I'm going to sign it from the Google, so I tap on Google, and this way, after you tap on the Google, now you have to tap on your very Google account out there to sign in on the very Fiverr, and you have to wait for a while until it gets loaded, because it may be the problem of your internet connection. Now you have to tap on your very application there, you need to tap on your very email there, and after this, when you tap on your very email there, it will take some time until the next interface appears. After you tap on your very email, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the sign up and tap on the option of the sign up. After you tap on the option of the sign up, you have to wait for a while again for the next interface to appear, and after you wait for a while, you can see the interface like this. And this way, now your very account has been opened on Fiverr, because you can go to the profile section there and you can see that your very application here has been opened, because your very account has been created in the very Fiverr application from your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.